The batch delivery of Liangqu Valve Group's ultra-large DN1600 fully welded ball valves is progressing steadily. At the assembly site, before precise alignment, we carry out thorough preparation and inspection of all components. When the massive ball is slowly lifted into place, every complex and meticulous assembly step reflects our uncompromising pursuit of safety and performance. Connection, positioning, verification, our deep technical expertise and craftsmanship ensure every joint fits seamlessly. What was once highly complex has long been transformed into a stable, reproducible, and scalable manufacturing process. Our fully automated welding technology guarantees that every weld seam is solid and reliable, truly achieving structural integration and eliminating hidden safety risks. On the high-capacity pressure and performance testing platform, we use standardized testing procedures to validate every parameter, ensuring that safety and efficiency are delivered to every kilometer of the pipeline network. With full industry chain manufacturing capabilities and extensive experience in large-scale projects, Liangqu Valve Group brings its commitment to every project site and delivers safety to every corner of the city.